Welcome down. Hi, I'm back. You down low? I don't know what's going on with you. Oh, hello. Welcome to. Hey, I got the same shirt on I had last week. Work shirt, you know. Wink, wink. It ain't like we're doing back to back on the same day, you know. Don't worry about that. Anyway, welcome to the Bike Doors channel. Another Dickin ran in the shed. Chrome to black on the tourPak. Chrome to black on the tourPak. Run an intro. And we're going to start with a latch first. Yeah, why not? Them's going to be hard to get to there. Right here, you got to get. Hopefully they all the same size. We'll see. Let me get my tools. God's guns and guts. What made America? All right, here's what we're looking at. We get. You get the latch. The latch bar. You get a lock. You key, 2 keys. And you get your hinges. And you get all these screws, which looks longer. So, yeah, and no instructions. Pretty much simple. You just take it apart, put it back together. Easy enough. But these are Phillips, and those are hex head, looks like. Torques. Small little torques that I probably don't have. Nothing that small. We'll see. Well, I'm in luck. I do have. So, let's take these off. It's close. Make sure you're holding on to it. It's been bad. Yep, I'm going to put something down over your saddlebags. So let's see what we got here. Alright, these are, I guess, like I said, no instructions, so you're just trying to figure it out as you go. And you got 2 of these flat things, screws.
I have, hopefully. You try to screw this through there. It looks like that starts, so I guess those goes in the right hole. Those ain't tall enough to go through. Make sure you use some Loctite.
That's how it locks it, huh? And you got a spring, and you got this nut. Lock tight on it. And you got this little arm. This one's flat and this one's curved.
And it's got a... catch on it. I need a socket. 7/16. Well, maybe I can get it this. Reach. And that locks it, so I guess that does work. So let me tighten that down then.
7/16. I think it's 3/8. Oh me. Oh, good old 10mm. If you put your 10mm back up, you always find them whether you won't lose them. So that works. And you got your lock. Put your key in. Turn it. And then you unlock it. I thought maybe I will tighten it. Oh boy. I unlocked it. These are funny keys. These are funny keys. Alright, but anyway, we know that works. So let's get back to the bike. As you can see, just try to get one boat started at a time. And you lock tight. And you should be alright. They are lining up, so I guess it's pretty good. You never know. Sometimes this stuff don't line up when you buy it off the eBay. Oh, I got this, yeah, off eBay. After I found out I getting this, I went ahead and got I ordered these black things. Blackout kit. I could go not bother taking that chrome piece off. What do you think? Huh? Well, nobody never know. I would know. Alright, this should be fun. Let's see if we can't. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? All out of shape. So, you gotta get in behind this sucker. That shouldn't be too hard. 4 little screws. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on these hinges, though. Alright. Alright, I put those black things back on. The little trim pieces. Not really happy with the fit and finish on it, but I mean, you can see the aluminum. It's not painted, coated, powder, but it works. It works. So, win-win. See, it's latched. So, now let's get these hinges. Whew, that's gonna be fun. How do I want to do this? I think it'd probably be better if I took it off. I was thinking about doing it while it's on there. But I think I need to, I don't know. This is the way I'm gonna do it. Yep. So let's do it. I got smart and took the little thing off. Why you over there? Boy, it's gonna be one of those days, ain't it? I got smart and took the little thing off so I could separate make it a little easier, I hope. So now I'm putting one of the last things back on, and pretty much easy. You just take off and put back on. Not that hard, kinda. Alright, I'm gonna tighten these, snug them down a little bit. You don't have to snug them down to Oklahoma, you know. Just get them snug. No ugly duggles. Might be good to come back every now and then and double check them. But you are dealing with eBay stuff. Use the regular Harleys on those. Anyway, I'll show you the only bad thing that I'll show you is the finish. Could have been better, painted it black more. You know, right here it's black on the top, but not down through here. I don't understand why they wouldn't have did it that way. But yet it shuts and latches and black. It's flat black, but it's mixed, you know, gloss and black, flat. But hey, it works. I like it. Alrighty. That's the next thing I'm gonna look at is the chrome on the bottom. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Like to get, you know, these chrome pieces with lights. I think you can. I don't know. And maybe put a light bar across here. You know. Whoop. Hey, that's why you turn it so easy. Anyway, I'm about to run out of juice here, me and the camera. I need some more aqua. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's free. And we'll welcome you back. Well, let's go ride.